Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Justin's world. Because we're gonna go pick up a washing machine and possibly a few other things on Justin's world, and we are gonna go scrapping this morning.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for Justin.
So now that we've got that all strapped in place, let's go check out this washing machine. Alright, and we're off. Good morning. This will be my second load of scrap to bring into the scrap yard. And I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and people normally post on there, and I'll go and just pick it up from there. I'll normally message them and say, hey, I'll be right there. But I don't really go out of my way to be doing this, or at least not yet. Let's see if this washing machine is still over here. There she is, down the street there. Alright, let's get this washing machine. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Justin's world. Some more scrap. Thank you. A little freaked out to be going on the freeway with all this in the back of my truck, so we're taking kind of the back route. Hey look, there's the Pallet man. Here's a little promo for you, Paul. there'll be a link in the description to a channel that I sit and watch and enjoy watching, and that's how I started scrapping. The channel is the Scrap and Pallet Man channel. So if you've enjoyed some of this that you've been watching and want to watch somebody else scrap, there's a link in the description. Alright, we're going to go and see about this scrap. Let's see what there all is. See if I can fit it all in my...
Hi.
Hello.
So they're just really small pieces,
Okay.
but I didn't want to throw them away if somebody wanted them. There's these things right here.
Okay.
I just kind of all this stuff, not all of it's metal. Absolutely.
There's this thing, and that's, yeah, those things are glass too. Yeah, I'll see about it, because even at that I don't really have room at this point, but
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate it.
figured the less, I don't know, I've watched this one guy scrap for the last year, and then I'm like, well, I finally got a truck, let's try this. Last night he was on his latest episode thing, he was like, I just wish more people would scrap, not for the money, because the last time I had a truckload it was like 11 or 12 bucks.
Yeah.
But just to make sure that shit don't end up in the landfill that,
Right.
you know, that can kind of be recycled. And
Oh no, hands down.
yeah. All right, thank you. Yeah, I'll message you and let you know.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yep. All right. So now we are off to the next location. Pick up some more scrap. Searching for some scrap on the way. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, something about that. Okay. Holy balls, we'll see how this works.
Alright, cool. Well, can you just lock the tailgate?
Yep.
I'm gonna get out of here.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. Have a great day. And this is why I need a bigger truck. Small truck problems, as Paul would say. So we're gonna try and stand some of that up, and we're gonna throw the strap down. All right. I'm having a little technical difficulties. do know this. We're on our way to the scrapyard. Let's see how much I can get. Alright, so we stopped here for a second. I'll kind of show you guys the shit that I have in the back of here. Yeah. Going to the scrapyard. We're going to the scrapyard. We're going to the scrapyard. I wonder how much I'll weigh. Alright, so we're at the scrapyard. Let's go and see how much we weigh. So, stop here for a second. 37.20. Time you all get to see the scrapyard out here. Lots and lots of different metal. Here's some metal, there's some metal, everywhere's some metal. Heck yeah. So while we sit here and wait in line, there's two cars in front of us. Both of them have vehicles. This one is just up on the trailer and but yeah, I'm gonna stop right there. Let's get out and unstrap all of this. So I don't really have the resources to be storing a lot of things, so that's why I'm not really I'm gonna just throw the radiator in as is. There's a couple aluminums here and there. There was those aluminum cans that I filled the washing machine with, so I don't have anywhere to store them, so I just pick up scrap and drop it off. So yeah, we'll get this going. We're gonna switch over to the other camera. watch that. They're gonna pick up that truck right off the back of that trailer. Crunch. There goes the windows. The back window. Picking that thing right up like it's nothing. Are they even gonna put it in the shredder? Or are they just gonna set it back down? They'll set it back down first. They're gonna smush it with the machine, I bet. But that's where we've got that whole thing up that way. It's a giant shredder up there at the top.
Round disc is?
Yep.
Back your truck right underneath it, he'll get it off.
Alright, thank you. Do it, or if I'll end up doing it. But we'll see how this goes. Moving something. The guy told me earlier to move out of the way. He'll pick up everything and pull it out of the truck. So we'll see. Pick up these last couple of things. So let's take these last couple of things. There we go. We've got her done. Let's put up this tailgate here. Whoa. Alright. Ooh, some sloppy gunk out here on the ground. Alright. Let's go get weighed out and see how much we weighed. So as we're leaving, we weigh out at 3,300. So we are going to go stop in really quick and go see what kind of paycheck we can get today for all that scrap that we just picked up. Let's go get some scrap money. Let's go get some scrap money. we're gonna go get some scrap money. See how much we're getting paid. So I had the little red Ford Ranger.
Okay, and a name?
Justin.
You said Justin?
Yeah. Yep.
Sorry. There's bad luck going on.
Yep, yeah. Busy day today.
Actually, it's kind of surprising. Thursdays is usually our slow day.
Okay. Yeah, I just somewhat started scrapping on my, I was like, I need something to do on my free time, and I look on Facebook and picked up another truckload of stuff today, so. Do I pull around and kind of stop by these first doors?
And radiators are door number 2.
Okay.
Yeah, radiators, aluminum, copper, stainless steel, brass, all that stuff is door number 2. This back here is iron. Iron and cast iron, which you want to take and tell him that you have cast iron, like drums.
Okay.
But everything else, anything like I said, the other metals all go to door number 2.
Okay.
And there's a big difference in price.
Yeah. That's why I'm just kind of, I was like, I'm kind of new to it. We're getting into it, so. All right, thank you. All right. So our total weight was 420 pounds at $70 a net ton. That is $14.70. So after figuring out, I'll have to do some more research. Maybe I have to ask Paul what metals are what. She's talking to me about that I need to separate some of my metals. I should have kept that radiator. I probably should have kept all those aluminum cans, not that the cans really weigh very much. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thanks for watching Justin's World and my scrapping adventures. Tune in next time and I'll see you again. Bye.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for just